Did you know that about 85% of what we do every day comes from our subconscious mind? Imagine the power of uncovering those hidden thoughts and feelings. Welcome to the transformative journey of shadow work, a path to self-discovery and healing. Carl Jung's theories introduced us to the concept of the shadow self, a part of our unconscious mind. Shadow work prompts are powerful tools that help us safely explore and integrate these hidden aspects of ourselves. By journaling and reflecting, we gain a deeper understanding of who we truly are. This journey is not just about feeling better, it's about profound personal growth and living more authentically. Shadow work starts with understanding the shadow self, the parts of us we hide due to societal expectations. Facing these hidden parts allows us to work through them and develop tools for handling emotions. The psychological benefits of shadow work are immense, enhancing our emotional intelligence and resilience. We learn to manage our feelings better, reducing inner conflicts and fostering self-acceptance. Starting shadow work helps us discover our true selves, illuminating the different parts of our mind. This journey is about embracing all our emotions, not just the positive ones. Using tools for handling emotions helps us face and accept these parts, leading to a more balanced life. To begin shadow work, start with a shadow work journal to document your thoughts, feelings, and insights. A journal is a safe space to explore your shadow traits without fear of judgment. Professional guidance from therapists or coaches can provide structured support for exploring complex emotions. Avoiding self-judgment is crucial for real progress in shadow work. Remember, having a shadow side is normal and part of being human. Shadow work prompts are deep questions that help uncover hidden thoughts, feelings, or memories. These prompts guide you on a journey of self-exploration, leading to personal growth and healing. Starting with identifying core values helps align your actions with what truly matters to you. Recognizing emotional triggers reveals parts of your shadow self that need attention. Exploring personal boundaries ensures your emotional well-being and fosters healthier relationships. Addressing childhood trauma is key in shadow work, as early experiences shape our current behaviors. Healing past experiences allows us to let go of old emotions and see them as lessons. Practicing forgiveness is essential for emotional peace and healing. Therapy and mental health support can enhance the shadow work process, providing deep insights and healing. Shadow work aids personal growth by helping us face hidden fears and desires. It improves self-awareness, goal setting, and builds healthier relationships. Shadow work prompts for professional development help understand workplace triggers and align career with personal values. Deep reflection questions push us to explore our subconscious, revealing hidden desires and beliefs. Embrace the journey of shadow work and transform your life. Discover your true self and live authentically. Keep exploring, keep growing,